we should have our stair chart, right? Everybody's drawing the stair chart. It's 7 steps.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. You ready to go? Okay, first one. What's going to go in this first step? What letter?
K.
K. Good. You guys remember this stuff. Okay, because remember the King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, right? Everybody remembers that statement. So the next one, what?
H.
What letter? H. Okay, somebody other than Deontay.
B.
B?
D.
D. Now what?
D.
B. Oh,
B. As in boy.
I just went backwards.
D
D.
and dog.
Okay. D. Man, you guys are going so fast. Next one is C.
M is in money.
And then M. Okay? As in, yeah. Got it. Okay, so we got our stair chart drawn. Is it making sense? Okay, so you get a second to draw in your stair chart. Up at the top of the page. Okay, it says now you will use this chart to convert metric measurements like this. Alright, so Jonathan, if you're measuring length, what do you think you're going to use? Okay, well you're going to use a ruler, but what's on that ruler?
Inches.
Inches or
Centimeters.
meters. Okay, that's the base unit for length. So you're going to use meters. Okay? Good idea. So what are you going to put in the blank?
Meters.
Meters. All right. Okay, well, some people are like, what open that blank again? Okay. Now, if you're measuring dry weight, what do they mean? Count.
Not wet.
Without being
Dry.
wet.
That's right.
Like poop.
So what are you measuring? What are you going to use to measure? Okay, scale, you use what kind of units? Not pounds.
Grams.
Ooh, I heard it.
Grams.
Grams. That's the metric unit.
That's what we use.
Okay?
Right.
Pounds is not the metric unit. Yes. Grams. Okay? So I'm basically answering our questions from our bell ringer. Does that make sense?
The last one say.
Okay. The bottom, it says if you're measuring liquid capacity, use, well, what are you going to use for that? Not ounces, not ounces. It's not metric. Liters, that's your base unit. Very good, liters.
I got one.
Okay? So that's what you're going to put there, liters. Okay? Now we're going to take our stair chart from the top and we're going to follow it and answer these questions down here at the bottom. It says for every step upward on the chart, you're dividing by 10 or moving the decimal place, one place to the right. Is that where we're going? We're going upward. We're going upward. Is this to the right?
To the left.
To the left. Okay? I'm really bad with my lefts and my rights, so my husband teases all the time. And he'll tell me a direction, he'll tell me to go left when I'm supposed to go right, because I'll go right instead of left. So, now think about that for a second. Then we'll go the wrong direction. Okay? So what way are we going again?
Left.
Left. Okay. First one says to convert 1,000 milligrams to grams, you're moving upward on the stairs. Let's start off, let's put our little zeros where they're supposed to be for 1,000 milligrams. Milli is in what placing? The last one. So I'm going to start off with my 0 and my 1's placing underneath the milli. Does that make sense? You can only put one number in each placing. Okay? So it's 1,000. So what else do I need to do? What else do I need to do, guys? 2 more zeros and then a 1. So I'm going to put another 0 here another 0 here, and a 1 here. Okay? On a whole number, where's your decimal? At the very end. It's understood, right? We don't put it there, but it's understood. So if we need to move it, we can move it, right? Okay? So, our decimal's right here, and it's telling us where are we going? To the left. So we're going to go up our stairs. How many? 1, 2, 3. Am I done? Why am I going to go up another floor? But your decimal goes right here, dear. Okay? We're going from here to here, right? So how many am I going up? 3. Okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So how many grams do I have? 1 gram. Alright? 1 gram. I have 1,000 milligrams, but I have 1 gram. Okay? Okay. So, I used the shortcut. They said, or use the shortcut and just move the decimal place, 1 place to the left, each step. Does that make sense? So you went a total of 3 decimal places. Because you went,
to the B?
okay? Because it said the grams, okay? And the base unit, it's going to be grams, meters, or liters. Y'all remember that? I know 8th grade, right?
I don't remember this at all.
8th grade. Man, you slept since then, right?
That's like,
It's okay. That's okay. It's a couple years ago. Okay? I'm getting tired, sweetie.
Huh?
I'm getting tired.
Just this one. I'll switch in a minute and have my other hand
All
right
right,
there.
what does that K stand for? Let's go ahead and talk about that for a minute. What do you think that K stands for? Y'all remember?
Kilos.
Kilo. What does the H stand for? Do y'all remember? What does the H stand for? Anybody?
I
Can't
don't.
remember that one?
I don't even know.
You don't remember that one either, sweetie? Hecto.
Your camera person doesn't even know.
Hecto. You think for a minute and you'll remember it. Okay, what about the D? Deca.
Good job, Austin. You read my mind.
B stands for base. Okay? Because grams, meters, and liters are your base unit. Okay? Everything else is a prefix. Alright, I heard it, Desi. Okay? What about the next? You should remember the next one. Centi.
I don't remember this part. I remember it.
I
Okay.
remember the first 2 and it's in this office.
It's
Sure,
okay.
taking notes.
What about the last one?
You.
Millie. See, you guys got it. Okay. Millie.
What's the C say?
Centi. C-E-N-T-I. These are your prefixes. So your base would be either a meter, liter, or a gram. Centigrams. Centimeters. Okay? Kilograms. Kiloliters. Kilometers. Alright? So that'll help you make sense out of that. Alright, so we've gone up the stairs. Now we're going to go down the stairs. It says when you move down the stairs, you're multiplying by 10 each step. So instead of dividing by 10, you're multiplying by 10. Okay? So you're adding a 0 to your original number and moving the decimal 1 place to the left.
Right. To the right.
Right. You're going the right direction with your hand. Okay, to the right. Okay? So you're going to the right this time. So you put right in that spot. Okay? Alright. So, very bottom it says to convert 2 kilometers to meters. You move 3 steps down on the chart. So you add 3 zeros to the 2. So 2 kilometers equals 2,000 meters. I want you to show the work on how to do that. So we have 2 kilometers, and I like to make this little unit here, okay, this little chart. And that way, I can go around and maneuver my numbers in it, and it makes sense. So we have 2 kilometers, right? I'm going to put the 2, since it's a 1's placing, right? Right there where the K is. So understood, my decimal's going to be on this line, right behind it. Now what do I need to do that decimal?
What's it right here?
How many places?
3.
Right, 3, right? Okay, so I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3. Goes to the line each time. So how many grams do I have?
2,000 grams.
2,000. Okay, I already told you, but that's how you show it. It says show your work. So I expect to see this right here, how you moved it across. Okay? That's what I expect to see at the very bottom. All right, you and one other person may work on problems 1 through 9. I'm going to come around and help you out with them, okay? But you and another person may work on questions 1 through 9. Whenever you're done with 1 through 9, now listen up, folks, go on around, okay? When you're done with 1 through 9, you need to come up to the front and pick up a ruler, okay? Thank you. I have counted my rulers. Okay, and I expect I'll have someone count them at the end, okay, to make sure I have all my rulers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 rulers now. I expect to have 14 rulers at the end of class, okay? I'm going to want you guys to work with this through the end of the class. Whenever you're done, all right, you will turn it in. I expect for it to be done by the end of class because we have a little bit of a long class. Everything, listen, ladies, I know we're excited. We can't wait to get our math done, right? Okay? So, listen up. When you're measuring things, okay, because at the very bottom of your page, you're going to start measuring stuff. You're going to need to measure horizontally, okay? Everything horizontally. Yup, the horizon, right? Horizontally. Do not measure anything vertically, because then your number's going to be way off, and I'm going to go, what in the world were you measuring? Okay? Any questions? Blank stares. Y'all ready to get to work, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. We're going to go ahead and get started. Y'all can go ahead. You can start.